persons, Ms. Cassandra will be allowed to participate in the Senate hearing. So just to put that and spread that into the records.
Thank you, Sen. Sherwin. Very welcome. Sige po, kung maaring simulan yung pagtatanong sa NBI kay Director Santiago, sir. Gaya ng naalala nyo siguro, ako po'y sumulat ng letter sa inyong tanggapan, humihingi po ng update dun sa manhunt nyo noon para kay Guo Huaping. And then just a few days later, nakatanggap po ako ng impormasyon na wala na nga siya sa Pilipinas. At ito nga po, gaya ng pinaalala ni Chair Coco, ang isiniwalat ko sa isang manifestation nitong August 19th. So, ang tanong ko po sa inyo, kailan po ninyo nalaman ng NBI na wala na sa Pilipinas si Alice Guo?
I'm sorry. Ma'am, good morning po. Noon pong maibigay sa inyo yung information, noon po namin nalaman. Opo.
So, nung bandang August, anong petsa po nga po yun?
19, sir. Ay, ma'am. 19 po, Your Honor.
Alright, August 19. Matanong ko po si Director Casio ng PAOK. Kayo po, ang PAOK, kailan nyo po nalaman na wala na pala dito sa Pilipinas si Alice Guo?
Same as with the NBI, ma'am. So during the time that you were having your privileged speech, I communicated immediately with our colleagues from Malaysia, and they informed me to in the affirmative that indeed she went through the remigration process on July 18, ma'am.
So, pero independently, bukod pa sa manifestation ko nung August 19 na kasabay ng NBI, alam nyo na wala sa Pilipinas si Alice Guo?
No, ma'am. We only knew about it during the time of your privileged speech, ma'am.
Oh, I see. Matanong naman po sa DOJ. Sino pong nandito sa DOJ? Alright, so pati yung ating head ng IACATS, Yusek T. Ang DOJ po, kailan ninyo nalaman na wala na dito sa Pilipinas si Alice Guo?
Sa Lunes po namin na nalaman na matibay ang impormasyon na wala na siya dito sa bansa.
Lunes, August
19.
19 din. Alright. Independently po ninyong nalaman na wala na siya dito sa Pilipinas?
Sa Senate hearing yun din po, ma'am. So
sa Senate manifestation ko rin po ninyo lamang nalaman. And sa Bureau of Immigration po, kay Comtan 5, kayo po, kailan nalaman ng BI na wala na dito sa Pilipinas si Alice Guo?
Good morning, Madam Chair. Good morning, sirs. We received the information from PNP IG on August 15 in the afternoon.
So 4 days before po ng aking manifestation at nalaman ng ibang lahat ng mga ahensya, alam nyo na rin po, August 15, wala na dito sa Pilipinas si Alice Guo.
That's the information we received, ma'am, from PNP. And upon receipt of that information, we immediately conducted validation on the information.
And na-validate nyo nga po na totoo?
We got the confirmations on 19 in the morning up to the 20th when all the information we got were validated already, Your Honor.
So, August 15 pero hindi nyo sinabi kaagad sa DOJ na meron kayong ganyang information at mula sa PNP? Kasi yung DOJ, sabi nila, andito pa rin si Alice Guo noong August 19.
Yes, ma'am. We informed DOJ and the Office of the Executive Secretary on the 20th in the morning when there was already a confirmation and validation of the information that were coming in, considering that there were conflicting informations that we have been receiving. Like, for example, ma'am, the flight from Manila to Malaysia on the Batik Air, the flight 0177 from from Malaysia to Denpasar, which we confirmed as applied from Denpasar to Malaysia. Then we received information that she already flew to Singapore, and we also immediately conducted verification in our own records kung lumabas ba siya, gumamit siya ng airports or seaport dito sa atin. So when we had the correct information already, it was the time that we informed the Office of the Executive Secretary and the Office of the Secretary of Justice.
Okay po, Commissioner. Kaya lang in-inform nyo sila, ang DOJ at Office of the ES, sabi nyo August 20. So kung hindi nyo in-inform ang DOJ nung August 15, bakit hindi nyo sila in-inform kahit nung August 19, nung nag-manifestation na ako, nung sinabi ng DOJ on that day, August 19, na sa pagkakaalam nila, andito pa sa Pilipinas si Alice Guo. Sinabi ng dalawa pang ahensya dito ngayon na August 19 lamang nila nalaman. Kung hindi man August 15, bakit hindi nyo in-inform ang DOJ August 19 nung nag-manifestation naman na ako?
On August 19, Monday, Your Honors, right after the regular flag ceremony that we had, I immediately convened the Board of Commissioners and called the Chief of our Intelligence Division and the Chief of our Fugitive Search Unit and issued a memorandum for them to conduct an investigation and validation of all the information coming in. And while in the process of doing that, Your Honor made the manifestation with the Senate, and when we received the detailed report from our Intelligence Division and Fugitive Search Unit, we endorsed it to the Office of Executive Secretary and the Office of the Secretary of Justice in the morning of August 20, Your Honor.
I understand that, Commissioner, pero what I'm getting at is yung isang sinasabi na rin namin paulit-ulit na better and more timely coordination. Kasi lalo na pagkatapos ng manifestation ko, so public na yon, and yun na nga sinabi ng DOJ na nandito pa si Alice Guo sa araw na iyon, hindi ba't sana mas maigi kung in-inform nyo na sila sa information na meron ng BI mula pa sa PNP?
Madam Chair, if I
Yes, SP Pro Temp, you have the floor.
Ang ibig niyo ba sabihin, kung hindi pa nag-privilege speech si Senator Risa, hindi niyo malalaman na wala na si Alice Guo rito?
No, Your Honor. In fact, even before the privilege speech of the Honorable Chairperson, I already issued a memorandum to our Chief of Intelligence Division to conduct an investigation and render a report immediately because of the information we got from the PNP.
Where did you get
IG.
the information from?
From PNP Intelligence Group, Your Honor.
Confirmed na wala siya sa bansa.
It
You are
was-
from BID? You are from BID?
Yes, Your Honor.
Because I asked that question during the last hearing, as we speak before. Nandito ba si Alice Guo? You answered in the BID representative answered in the affirmative.
Yes, Your Honor, because based on our records, there was no departure of Alice Guo at that time.
But do you agree with me that madaling tumakas dito sa Pilipinas? Chartering a private plane
Yes, Your
and using a not so busy airport where no BID, no CAAP present there.
Your Honor, in all international airports, the recognized international...
Not only international airports, we have a lot of small airports here.
Yes, Your Honor, it's possible.
It's possible that
Yes,
you can
Your Honor.
escape there
Yes, Your Honor.
because there's no personnel of BID and CAAP.
Yes, Your Honor.
All right, thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you,
Madam Chair?
SP Pro Temp. And ang susunod kasing pinakamahalagang tanong, paano sila nakaalis ng bansa? Okay?
Madam Chair.
NBI muna. And if I may ask, NBI, can you lead off? answering that question after I recognize. Sino po yung... Okay, Sen. Doroy, and then NBI, let's hear from you. Paano nakaalis sa Pilipinas sina Alice Go?